Hello friends, I am Trilochan. I hope you are safe and healthy. Today I will tell you how to create a Twitter bot using Python, and that would be also in AWS Lambda. That means it is serverless bot, and that bot will help you to get more Twitter followers so that you can get engaged in your Twitter account with like and retweet. So without any further delay, let's get started.
So let's go to the developer.twitter.com. So we will apply for developer accounts. So apply for developer account. Yes. So you can choose making a bot. Yes. The next. So here it you can fill some basic information like the country name and your name. Like so this bot you call, like I will give you the coding X here. So my country is India. And yes, here I will write coding X. Yes, coding. Yes, it is. Yes, coding X. So yes, want to update, no. Next. So you have to fill up minimum 200 characters for this. Why the Twitter data you are using. So I am just giving put any 200 characters. So you will put a proper write up, because Twitter will verify why you are actually want to use this Twitter API. So I'm just giving an example. So that's why I'm putting. Uh, Actually, I have already this developer account. So because of you, means you will create your developer account. So that's why I'm showing how you can create this one. So it's only for the demo purpose. So that's why I'm keeping on the same data I'm copying and paste. So yes, it's done. So the same way, the same data also here I will put. Yeah, this is not actually needed. Are you planning to analyze Twitter data? No. Yes, this one is needed. So you have to put the some write up here also. So let's copy this one and paste it here. It's done. So do you plan to display tweets and aggregate data? No, it's no. So you can make it no also. So there is no requirement. Yes. So will your product or service analyst make Twitter account content derived information available to the government? No. So next. So your it's good, looks good. So you can proceed. So here it is. You can just by clicking on the box, that means you agreed. So submit application. Yes, that's why application is not submitted. It's right, because I have already this developer account. I will show you how to create an app on Twitter account. So for new you have to apply this one. So for me it's not needed. So that's why I'm not doing this it again. So let's go to my I have already account. So I will show you how to create an app. And so this is in a create app sections. So you can apply first, then you can create an app. So that's why we go to my uh, current account I have. So this is my original account, and this is just demo purpose. I show you. So here it is my Twitter account. So let's go to the developer. Yes, developer, Twitters and apps. So here it is. I have already the same app for liking the Twitter tweets. So here it is the app name. So you can add your app name. Like I have added Tech Parida. That's my account username. So you can give anything, like it's a bot. So here I'm just demo purpose, I'm giving you the description. You can give, add your description, a website URL you can give anything. It's not actually not, they are not verifying it. So yes, it's must be 200 characters. It should not be exceed from 200. So here it is the coding x.in. So I think it's everything you can skip it, but last is tell us how this app will be used. And here the callback URLs is not actually needed. If you want to put, then same URL you can put here, copy and paste. Actually it will help if you um, directly call any other things you can use for this API, Twitter API. So that's why I'm giving here. So here it is. Yes, this is, you can create, this is how you can create an app. The create, yes, create. So you have to, before create, you just read these things. Yes, click on it. Yes, your app is created now. Okay, so let's go to the credential section, keys and tokens. Yes, this is the consumer API and you have to generate the access token and access token secrets. So let's generate it. So once it's generated, yes, you can copy and paste in your local file system. So for further reference, means once you when you create the API, then it will need it. So this will be like, once you generate it, it will show, otherwise after that it will not show. So let me keep it as this is. So let will then go to the, yes, here Visual Studio here. So this is my, here we will create the Twitter Python, means we will create a Python file for the Twitter. So before that, let's install the virtual environment. So create a virtual environment for the Python, so that we can install TWEP. Here is the library for the Twitter. You accessing the Twitter API with the TWEP, TWEEPY. Yes, virtual environment is done, Twitter API. So now let's activate this one. So for activate, you know that's Python, how we can activate the virtual environment. This is source, your folder name slash bin slash activate, right? So yes, it's not slash required, twitters hyphen API bin activate, enter. So your virtual environment is ready now, so you can install TWEP. So before that, let me, no, it's not required. Yes, so first let me install, then we'll go to this folder so that we can create a actual Python file. So whatever, actually I have already written the code here, so I will just show you how to use, and I will show how to host it in Lambda, AWS Lambda. So let's install pip3, install tw, yes, enter. Yes, now it's installed TWEP. So now we'll go to the library. So here it actually it's needed the inside this folder. So let's go to this folder, and within that folder we'll create a twitter.python file, so that it will directly will upload to the Lambda function and it will work. So Twitter API, then library, then Python 3.7 and site packages. So within that folder we will create a twitter.python, so that we can directly make it compressed in .zip file and will upload to the Lambda. So yes, we can write directly the Lambda function, because it is more than 5 MB, because this TWEP library is uh, 5 MB I think, so that's why it's taking, uh, we cannot directly upload there. So you have to make it a zip file, means .zip zip file. So after that you can just upload it to Lambda. So here it is, site packages. Yes, yes, we are in folder. So now we can create a twitter dot python file, right? So here it is, we just go to site packages and here we'll create a file twitter.python. Yeah, enter. So now it is twitter.python file. So let me copy, and I have already written the code, so I'll just go through it and make you see it. It's a very simple code, 10 to 15 lines. Yes, so this is my code and just copy and paste it here. Yeah, so here it is. So let me tell you, this file actually yeah, not cancel. So already I have generated the token. Okay, so import, this is the code. I will make you understand this. It's very simple things. API, this is the API token. So before that we have to put access token and access token secret. So let copy this one, and second line in the set access token, here it is. Yes, this is access token. Copy and paste here. Yes, so go to here, access token secret, copy and paste. It's very simple. That's why I love Python, you know. So very within a 10 line of code, you just access the Twitter API and you make it as your requirement. Like you can like and retweet your content. So this is API key. Just copy it, and here it is. You can paste it here. So by the way, I will regenerate this API key and API secret, because I've shown you how it's so important to show you how you can just make it copy and paste it here through the code. So that's why I'm showing you. So I will regenerate it, so that you can access my account. So here it is, the import tweet and import time. So time is needed. I will tell you why. So this function main event context is this is the format of Lambda function in AWS Lambda function, and this is as I shown you, this is API key and API secret key, the first line, auth handler and set access token. These are the functions, and these are library you can directly write, and this code I will put it in GitHub. Okay, this is wait on rate limit, you have to put this. Yes, this is the search keyword. You can see 100 days of code. This is for me. As your interested keywords, you can put it here. So this is my booking genie. I am working here. So this is the function, simple function. You just write tp.cursor, means that means it will crawl all the tweets according your keywords. So that yes, this is the search keywords, and language I chosen is English, and items, the number of tweets. Okay, this is 100 for me. So if not favorited, then favorite means it like your tweets, and you can, yeah, I commented retweet because I don't need this one. And here it is time sleep. Okay, so you just put it time because Twitter will know it's not a robot, and give a time, because that's why it's so it will smoothly run. So you give this time, it's 5, 10, whatever you want, and this lastly accept exception and the stop iterations done. So once it's done, let's save it and go to the your folders where you save it. So yes, for me it's a Twitter API, Twitter YouTube, and Twitter API. Here, this folder structure library, Python site packages. So you have to just make it as zip file here, compress 29 files, and this zip file will just upload to the Lambda. So that, yes, so here it is Lambda function I have already created, and also I have one video for how to create a Lambda function. So here just upload it, Twitter YouTube, Twitter API library, Python 3, then yes, this is the zip file here. This choose and save it. So once it's done, you'll actually, you cannot see here code here because it's a more than 3 MB. I think within the 3 MB, if the file structure is there, then you can see the code directly. Otherwise you have to edit it in local system, then you have to upload to the Lambda. Okay, so this is how actually AWS Lambda function is working, and I have already one video is there how to make a serverless application. So here it is, it's now uploaded now. Yes, so now you just make it a configuration, test configuration. So I will give you uh, the idea how it actually runs. So let's test it, and we also get some errors, so that we will solve it. Yes, the no module name Lambda functions. This is default function of Lambda, so you have to go and edit it according to your function name and your file name. So our file name is twitter.python, right? And function name is, let me see it. Yes, the function name is main. So file name is twitter.python. So here you have to write handler that this is the file name Twitter, and your function name is main, right? Yes, it is done. So let's save it and let test it again. Yes, again we have an error. Yes, timeout after 3 seconds. So we have taken a 5-second the gap, right? So minimum 5 second and 100 tweets. So according to me, it will minimum, it will take 5 minutes. So it's 3 minutes, more than 3 minutes. So you can check 5 minutes, right? I just keep it timeout here it 5 minutes, so that it will run smoothly. Okay, so let's test it. So it will run till 5 minutes. So so let's check, it's running now. That means some likes actually increasing in my account. So let's test that how, means my likes automatically increasing. So if you enable the retweets, it also your the content, whatever the keywords you have chosen, and that retweets automatically. So let's see. So here it is, I have written, already told you the 100 retweets here to crawl, and then 5 second sleep, right? So here it is the favorite and retweet. You can do your retweet parts also. I don't need this one. So let's check the likes. So here it is, my likes is 2921, right? So I think I have written recently, no, it's a older one. So let me refresh it. 2921, right? Just remember this, just refresh this one. Yes, now this is 2924. That means 3 likes has been automatically increased. Yes, now 25. So it's yes, you can check it. AWS is the keyword. I have mentioned my AWS JavaScript. Here it is. So it's automatically like your chosen keyword content in Twitter. So this is how you can automate your likes and retweets for your account, so that your account will be more engaging, and um, you can get a more Twitter followers. So here it is 2930. It's increasing gradually, you see this, it's increasing gradually. You 3 minutes, the recent tweets you liked it. So this is how actually you can, it's not only like and retweet, you can a lot of features in Twitter API, you can use it. So this is running now. So uh, it will run till 5 minutes. It's not 5 minutes, it's complete all the recent tweet. So it will run till 100 tweets. So this is how you can put your authentication key and access token key. So this is code I have already put in GitHub, and I will give this link, GitHub link, in description section. So you can directly copy this code and you can use it in your Lambda function. So I have also given uh, you how to do that. Okay, this is still running. So let's go to the cloud watch, so that it will make you actually Lambda function you have to trigger somewhere, right, so that it will run uh, periodically. So you have to create cloud watch event for that. So let's create that event versus, no, here it is not. So you have to go events, right, create events, get started. Here it is. So here it is event path and schedule. So choose on schedule. So fixed rate, so 5 times per a day. So it will run like in 12 a.m. and then 5 hours after, then 5 a.m. then 10 a.m. then after that, after 10 then it will be 15, means in India time it's a 3 p.m. So accordingly in a day it will run 5 times. So let's choose the Lambda function here, the test Twitter I have already configured. So it's nothing to change, just make it default and create, configure it. Yes, name it like anything so you want, just test. Yes, it's done now. So this cloud was actually triggered to your Lambda function and it will run automatically and 5 times a day. So you can make like 10 times a day. So it's your choice, right? This is function is already done. So let's check it in monitor section. So it's success, I hope. Yes, I think it's succeed. Yes. So you can check it. Yeah, first 2 times is error, then say third one is 1 time success. So that means our Lambda function is done. So it's working properly. So you can now check your Twitter, like this is how you can increase your like and increase your Twitter's followers, right? So like and so please follow me on Twitter.
Thank you so much for watching. Please do like, share and comment and subscribe. So thank you so much for watching this video.